everyone. We are in Comox. Good night. We're on that. We are just about to take the ferry to Powell River. It's not an island, it's on the mainland, but we need to take a ferry to go there. So today we are leaving Vancouver Island. I was hoping that the ferry would be a little bit more like earlier today, but we only had a ferry at 9 a.m. which I missed, and the next one's at 3, so we're gonna have to take the one at 3. I think when we're gonna arrive on the Sunshine Coast, it's gonna be dark or close to be dark, so unfortunately, but I'm enjoying a couple of minutes of sun before we take the ferry. Just waiting for the ferry. Make myself a little protein bowl cereal. So I think now we have an hour and a half of ferry ride to the Sunshine Coast. First plan was to go to maybe campground on the provincial park, but it's another 40 minutes of driving and it's gonna be dark, and what's the point of pay, even if it's a winter rate, to to sleep in somewhere that you don't have time to enjoy. So I think I just look on Overlander and there's a place I think we can sleep with the view of the ocean. So I thought that would be a great place. We probably gonna see the sunset. And yeah, we're just gonna relax, and tomorrow we're gonna explore a bit more. We arrived just in time for the sunset. Alright guys, so we're going to enjoy a couple more minutes, not even, of sunset, and I think us is going to be some editing and some boring stuff for you guys. So I think tomorrow morning I'm going to pick you up. Maybe we're going to see a sunrise from here. Maybe. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. It is apparently -7 right now. Woohoo! So there's a boardwalk that we can walk along the ocean there. But last time I was here, I've done it. And last time I was here, it was freezing cold. It was snowing, and I didn't really explore the Sunshine Coast because of that. And I think the time before, I think it was pouring rain, and the only time that was good on weather, Katie has a seizure, which was the last seizure that she ever had. It was on Sunshine Coast, a year and a half ago. Yeah. So, so this time we're gonna spend a little bit of time. We have 2 more days of sun, so I'm gonna enjoy every second of it. And so I'm not gonna do that walk even though it's beautiful. I'm gonna go explore another area. I've never been on this side of town, so I'm gonna go explore that. So those are old ship that they bring here for breakwater since 1930. For what I understood, based on the little bit that I can read right now, is they're made in wood and concrete, and they were too heavy during the World War II, so now they are used right here as a breakwater. I wish I could go closer, but I don't think there's got any trail. I think that's the spot to see them. Maybe I could go closer with my big camera. So that's all the ship is over there. I only see this portion, I think. There's a really old one. I don't see that one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ship. No idea if I'm going to the right place. I wanted to go to, I think it's called Inland Provincial Park. It's a place that one subscriber on Patreon told me to go check, and based on Google Map, it was supposed to be a little bit like further down, and I was like, okay, I don't see anything, so I went a little bit further, and now I saw a sign, but I'm like, I don't know, it's not very, I'm a little bit confused right now. So we're gonna go on this dirt road, apparently for 6 kilometers. We'll see what we can get. This is so cool, just that little pocket of frozen. All the rest is fine. It's so cute. Alright, I think we got it. There's a campground, but I think it's closed. And we're gonna go to the provincial park. There you go. Well, I think this campground is open. Yeah, I think the campground is open. That's cool. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. Check this out. Wow. Alright, turn the heat on. Turn the heat on for two reasons. Obviously keep Kitty warm while we're going for a little walk. I'm not gonna go super far, but and second and most importantly, it's not very cold in the van right now, but when I'm in those type of area where it's got nobody, pretty far, it's got no cell service here, you never know what someone, you know, you go for a little walk, someone can try to break into your van. So while you have the heater on, I feel like they, you know, probably think twice. They probably think someone's there inside the van, so that kind of maybe stop them from try to break into my van. And like I said, I'm not gonna go for a really long walk. I think you can go all along the lake there, I think so, but I just want to stretch a little bit. It's gorgeous. I love those little pockets of frozen ground. Like it's fine here, you know, right there. It's frosty. I'm so happy to finally be able to visit the Sunshine Coast for real. Every time I have bad luck, bad weather, which when it's raining here, it's like especially in the winter, it's just like right. And last time I was like frosty and all, like the road was super bad. So yeah, it's great to finally have the chance and the good weather to be able to explore this place. Oh my god, look how thick it is. Those frozen little thing. This is so cool. It's probably like an inch of frozen little. Someone passed before me. Right, that in the frosty bench. Oh, wow, this is so cool. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to go really further. My battery of my camera is flashing right now, so I'm going to lose you pretty soon, guys. I guess I've been talking too much and filming too much. Usually I can do one full video with the battery, but it's gorgeous today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be a couple of days on the Sunshine Coast. Hopefully the sunshine is going to stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'm going to leave you with Kitty. Okay Kitty, it's your time. Your time. Kitty, can we have a little kiss? Kitty, Kitty. Hey, where are you going? You give love to everything except us? Yeah. Kitty? Kitty? Little kiss. Little kiss. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.